Hey friends, Nikki Jackson with Elevate the Narrative. Hey, there have been some moves this week that should get the attention of traditional insurers. Next Insurance has launched a new multi-location workers' comp coverage, and its offering is aimed at small businesses with multiple locations that are all within the same state. So think about restaurant chains, retail stores, fitness centers, things like that. That new offering is designed, I hate to say this, it sounds so corny, but to streamline the purchasing and management of work comp coverage, letting small business owners consolidate all of their locations under one policy. And it's totally, fully digital. So what's new about this? Well, again, it's an innovative digital insurtech company, again, called Next Insurance, and it's making it a lot easier for small business owners with growing operations to manage their work comp needs. So they're bundling all of their locations under one policy. I know some of you are out there going, whoop, whoop, whoop. You can also update and manage coverage, again, online, anytime. Nobody's needed 24/7. And it simplifies the application process as well, which eliminates some of that traditional back and forth paperwork and long lead times. But again, it's really aimed at reducing the admin burden for those small businesses, which can really be significant when managing multiple policies across several locations. So why does this matter for traditional insurers and vendors? Why am I talking about this? Well, their digital first approach to managing multi-location coverage is significant, because it shifts away from paper-heavy, manually driven processes that are still so prevalent in a lot of traditional carriers and TPAs today. And of course, I'm going to give you some challenges and some opportunities too. So I break this down into three sections. The first is digital disruption. So there's this growing demand for digitized processes in insurance, especially among small business. It's pretty clear, right? And with that move, Next is really kind of setting the bar, the benchmark in the industry for simplifying policy management and improving the user experience. Now, I know a lot of you are probably tired of hearing this, but traditional carriers and TPAs, you're going to have to revisit your legacy systems, right, to stay competitive and meet those evolving needs. The second one is opportunities for innovation. So if you're a vendor and you're working with insurers and TPAs, Next's approach could provide new opportunities then to develop integrated digital solutions that are going to support automation and self-service features. With an increasing demand for streamlined processes, there could be a growing market then for tools that facilitate digital policy management, policy updates, and client self-service. And then the third one here is that traditional insurers and carriers are going to likely feel that pressure, right, to adopt more efficient tech-driven solutions. We call it operational efficiency in the TPA world. Well, the ability for small businesses to just instantly quote and purchase work comp policies for multiple locations, again, from a digital platforms, means there's this growing expectation for real-time automated solutions that reduce the need for manual intervention. So there are some implications for the industry. Next's new offering could signal this shift in the expectations, of course, of small business owners and others. It's going to have this ripple effect, in my opinion, who are increasingly looking for simplicity and efficiency when it comes to insurance. For traditional insurers, TPAs, and vendors, this could have a few implications, and I've got three listed out. The first one is increased competition. So traditional insurers and carriers that rely on those legacy systems may struggle to keep pace with Insurtech disruptors like Next, which provide a faster, more efficient experience for customers. The second, rethinking those legacy systems. You heard it once, you heard it twice, you're hearing it again. These insurers and TPAs need to invest in modernizing their systems to offer a more seamless digital experience if you're going to remain competitive in this increasingly tech-driven market. And then the third one here is vendor collaboration. So, insurers, TPAs, they're going to turn to technology partners to help build out solutions that enable easier integration with digital platforms, making it possible to offer small businesses and others the flexibility they've now come to expect. So what's new for the industry? Well, as small businesses continue to demand easier, faster, and more flexible insurance solution, it's pretty clear that insurance is heading toward a future that combines the best of tech with the fundamentals of insurance. So this push to simplify the multi-location coverage through a digital platform could serve as a blueprint. And I'm hoping that it serves as a blueprint for other companies in the space, especially those traditional carriers and TPAs who need to innovate in order to stay relevant. For vendors, this shift represents a growing opportunity, right? Partner with insurers and TPAs to create solutions that bridge the gap between traditional insurance models and the digital future.
Elevate the narrative.